Budgie's drinking water and having another bath. Should we put a little ball in there?
A ball? What's a ball?
A plate. So you can have a bath. I think they're ready to have a bath, look.
Oh yeah, they're very... They can have some.
The green one is. Alright, let's move the water thing.
Okay, let's get the big...
So that we can put
a bath in there. Hi guys, today we're gonna give the Budgies their first bath in the cage.
Yeah. Look, they're scared of it.
How do you get it in?
Yeah. Oh, tray, we can pull the tray out and put it in and then pour water in.
Oh yeah, sure.
The blue one's looking.
Yeah.
It's calculating. Is that water? Come on. See which is the clever one. Where is it going? No, no. Can't come out yet. Ooh. Come on. Water. We have liftoff, Houston. The blue Budgie has done it. Now the green Budgie's clocked on. Clever blue Budgie. Pause it, Eliza. Look, he's having a bath. Eliza, look, he's having a bath.
What? Oh, I missed it.
Oh, you'll go back in, look. First bath. Look, he's stepping in it.
Woo.
Go on, green Budgie, your turn. Go on, go for it.
I'm gonna put them in it.
You wet the underside.
Where put them in it?
The green one's going to try it now for the first time.
Amazing.
It's a new experience. They've never had a bath before.
Wait, he's trying it.
Yeah, first bath.
They're not...
They're drinking it and then they get the underside wet. Whoa. See? It's in it now, sat in it.
Wow.
He's having a bath. Look, he's washing himself now, both of them. The first bath. Budgie's first bath. Took him a while to figure it out.
We should do it every day.
Yeah, look, they're having fun now. The green one's not worked it out yet. You're supposed to get yourself wet in it. Whoa, look. First they won't come near it. Now they're fighting over the bath. We'll put it in once a week. But now they're used to it. It's a treat. Look at it. They used up a lot of the water. Oh, there's still water there. You have to get the underside wet and splash around
Like
without
kids.
spilling it. They're like little kids.
Yeah.
Their first bath. This is the Budgie's first bath ever.
They feel like the kids for that.
They usually use these water feeders. So we put this in and it took them a while. The blue one first. Scared of it. Now look, they're excited. Look at them. Look how excited they are.
But can I tell you something?
What?
They feel like the kids, but they're adults. Soon the blue ones have babies.
Yeah. Look, 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 look. They're having fun in the water. The first bath. See, instincts. Look, look. He's cleaning its feathers, pruning. Mission accomplished. Ooh, splashed me there.
Wait, did it? Wait, can I check that splash?
Move the other way, Eliza. You're blocking the light. Move. You stand there. This side you can watch from here. What? Look, look. Look what the blue one's doing. It was lying down. Oh, he's saying, Chef, this is my bath. Go away. He is well pruned. Green one's turn now, look. He's lying down in it. Should have done this before. All that time they've been bathing with the feeders. Now we know. We did try to give them a bath a long time ago, but they were scared.
Why?
Because they need to, we didn't know then, they need to get used to the water thing. Like the blue one, it took them, what, an hour. We put that in an hour ago. So it's taken them an hour to get used to it, aware of it. The blue one was the clever one. First he just hopped around it. Now look at the blue one, it's well proper wet. I think they finished its bath. But he's having fun. Look, the green one's all wet underneath. Did you have fun, Budgies? Hmm? You had fun in the bath? What's the fight? Stop fighting, you just had a treat. No, there's still a lot of water left in there. We'll leave it in. Leave it in and then remove it in a few hours. So that was the Budgie's first proper bath. Did you enjoy it? They're wet underneath, the tails are wet. And they're chirpy. So now they can come out and play. Yep, now you are free to come out. Look at the blue one's wet. They're both wet underneath. I think the blue wants to go back for some more. You wanna come out? You wanna come out now? Yep. Yeah. Come on. Yes. Come on, Green. You had your bath.
Yes.
You can fly around the room now.
To get dry.
You can fly around the room now.
You just poo.
Yep. You are now free to fly around the room. They're wet. Look how wet the blue one is. So we leave them out now for half an hour. Now that they got used to the water. Very happy after they've had a bath. And they're wet underneath. Are you happy now? Yes. You want to say anything, Liza?
No.
That was the Budgie's first bath. Successful bath. We did try it a long time ago. Up until now they've been using these water feeders. Well, we'll put it in. So once a week. Yeah. We'll put them in once a week. Now that they're used to the purple thing. They look forward to it. Won't you?
one day.